also part of the Cherry Mobiles family, kaya naman, I'm really excited to work on my first TV commercial with him. I hope that everything would go smoothly during the entire shoot para naman the output would be highly satisfactory. It's a new partnership with Cherry Mobile, and I pray that our relationship will go a long way.
This is totally a new campaign. This is actually the first commercial of Miss Sarah Geronimo with us.
Basically, Sarah is parang the spokesperson, parang walking us through the different phones entertainment phones that Cherry Mobile has. So parang it's very apt for her kasi she's a star. So parang it's very nice that she's a singer. So it's apt for her that she endorses the entertainment line of Cherry Mobile.
It has something to do with the wide range that Cherry Mobile has to offer to all the consumers. And we're very happy to have Miss Sarah Geronimo to be part of Cherry Mobile family.
In terms of the costumes, her outfits are very dressed up, very pop star Sarah. She has an outfit that's very rock inspired, still utilizing the brand color, which is red and silver. So we have a lot of reds and whites and silver there. So you'll see one Sarah in studded rock outfit, very young and hip, and then another Sarah in a gown, but very dynamic. I think the entire commercial she'll just be talking and moving. So it's fun because it's a more glamorous Sarah.
Cherry, move. Paulit-ulit pa iba-iba. Nandito po kami ngayon sa Makati at Filmex Studio para po sa commercial shoot, TV commercial shoot ng Cherry Mobile. Tara na, guys!
We just wanted was for her to continue looking like the pop star, pop princess that she is. We wanted her to carry the brand colors, red, and just look very fresh. This is just the live portion of the TVC, but we still have to do the CG. So the anticipation is already driving me crazy because I want to see it already.
Yung dance kasi, the client was very particular. Cherry Mobile was very particular with the move, the signature move. So it was easy to do it.
The music, please.
First is yung the click because it's that Cherry Mobile is saying na click tayo sa Cherry Mobile. So you have to say click. So click. So yun na. Click. Click, click. So many movements, variety of movements doing the click action. Kanina ko lang tinuro sa kanya. And nakuha naman niya kagad actually. Madali
madali siyang turuan, oo. Kasi ano siya, hindi siya yung tamad mag-aral. Parang nag-aano siya talaga, nagtatanong siya, nagpapa-run siya ulit, ganon. Yun, so kung nagre-rehearse siya on her own din. Even nung pagdating sa stage, yung pagdating niya dito, when she heard the music, nire-rehearse na siya agad. So even without telling her na kailangan mo i-rehearse naman siya on her own.
Simple lang naman po yung steps. So, naging madali naman.
First time ko, and nung nalaman ko, na-excite din ako kasi first time ko makasama yung Popstar Princess. Na-excite ako and parang nagkaroon ng nagtanong sa sarili ko kung paano ba siya magtrabaho. Siyempre hindi mawawala yung madali ba siya magalit or masaya ba siya ka-work. Pero yung kanina, para kasi alam ko naman na sobrang busy ng schedule, kaliwat kanan yung mga guestings and shows, andun pa rin yung game face niya and napaka-jolly niya. Pag hindi siya nagigets na step, siyempre parang nagpapaturo siya agad. Hindi siya yung mala diva na tinatawag nila na medyo bossy yung dating. Super approachable niya.
ID, video, cameras, project, and music.
I know that she has a name and all, but at first I was kind of intimidated, but then when we got on set, I figured that she was a really nice person, so it's really easy working with her.